Now the next topic is evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. So before going to evaluate a given Boolean expression, let us see the procedure to evaluate given Boolean expression. First point, to evaluate the given Boolean expression using truth table, first we have to find out the number of variables present in the given expression. For example, given Boolean expression is y is equal to x plus xy into z bar. Means we have to find here how many variables are there in a given expression. That variable may be in the complemented form or uncomplemented form. It is considered as only one variable. Then see here, x is there, y is there, and z bar is there. So here 3 variable. Like that, this is the first point. Means in the evaluation of given Boolean expression, what we have to do means, in the first point we have to find the number of variables present in the given Boolean expression. And the second one, what we have to do means, we have to find the number of input combinations required. Number of input combination required in the truth table we have to find out. That is using the formula 2 power n, where n is the number of variables in the given expression. Means here how many variables are there in this given Boolean expression? 3 variables. Means how many input combinations are there in the truth table? Means 2 power n is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8 input combinations are there in the truth table. Like that. And third point, after finding the number of input combinations, third point is, what we have to do means, write the truth table with the possible input combinations and perform given logical operations one by one. Means after find first point, how to evaluate given Boolean expression means, first we have to find the number of variables in the given Boolean expression, and next thing, second point, we have to find the number of input combinations using the formula 2 power n, where n is the number of variables in the given expression. And the third point is, we have to prepare a truth table for the given input for the given Boolean expression. For example, take some Boolean expressions like, first one, x plus y into z bar. Second one, x bar into y bar plus x bar into y. Third one, x into y into z bar plus x bar into y bar into z. Fourth one, x bar into y into z bar plus x into y bar. Fifth one, x into bracket of y bar plus z bar bracket close plus x into y bar. And the last one, sixth one, x bar x into y bar bracket of z bar plus y into z bar plus z bar. And seventh one, A into bracket of B bar plus C plus C bar. See here, this is a very important for the annual examination. He is going to ask evaluate the Boolean expression using truth table for 2 or 3 marks. For 2 marks, expression will be very small, like this: x plus y into z whole bar. If the given Boolean expression is very big, means truth table contains more column, then that is going to carry 3 marks. For example, x into bracket of y bar plus z bar bracket close plus x into y bar. So like that, if the given Boolean expression contains small, if the given Boolean expression is very small, then it is going to ask for 2 marks. If the given Boolean expression is very big, then it is going to ask for 3 marks. Now let us consider first one, x plus y into z whole bar. So now evaluation of Boolean expression, evaluation of this Boolean expression using truth table. Consider first one, x plus y into z whole bar. Solution. So we already know the procedure how to evaluate a given Boolean expression. So first thing is, in the given expression we have to find how many variables are there. First thing, we have to find number of variables in the given expression. That variable may be complemented form or uncomplemented form. It is considered as one variable. Now see here, x is there, y is there, z is there. So 3 variables are there. So formula is 2 power n, where n is the variable. So here n means 3 variables are there. 2 power 3 is equal to 8 input combination truth table is. See here, 3 variables are there in a given expression. Therefore 2 power n, where n is the variable, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 input combination truth table is. Now we have to draw a truth table for the given Boolean expression with 8 input possible combinations. Now let us see how to draw a truth table with 8 combinations. Now see here, 3 variables are there, x, y, z. Now consider those 3 variables. First, x, y, z, right? These are what? 3 given variables. See here, 3 variables are there. For these 3 variables, we have to write 8 input combinations, right? So I am going to tell you how to write 8 input possible combinations. For the x variable, first we have to write 8 input combinations like this: 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros. Next means 4 input cases are over. Next 4 input cases means 1, 1, 1, 1. Like this. Right? Now for a particular x variable 8 cases are over. For y, z, for these 2 variables purpose, we have to write standard 2 input variable cases. That is